We're Immobiliser fitting. This is a 2020 Rolls-Royce Dawn, protected with Starline i96 Connect. This system calls your phone in the event of an attack. And also, just to satisfy insurance, we've fitted a insurance-approved S5 tracking system. So if a thief got in this and went to steal the vehicle, they're going to start it up, put it in gear, and you're going to see the vehicle cut out because they haven't got a push sequence or the customer's phone. With the Connect, as a thief's attacked it, the phone's going to ring to let us know someone's in the vehicle playing around with it. There we go. Rolls-Royce Dawn's giving us a call, letting us know. If it's the customer, they'll start the vehicle. They can either put a code in. For now, we just have 1, 2, 3. Hear a disarm tone and we can drive off. Or they can pair their phone up, which makes it nice and simple. So we just have the Bluetooth on this phone. Start the car. We hear a disarm tone and we can drive off. As you see, the vehicle hasn't cut out. We're able to drive away. If the customers change the code, they can set it between 3 and 21 presses in any order they want on any supported buttons. For example, they could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That could be their code, all the way to 21. They can also put this system into service mode, so when it goes to Rolls-Royce to get serviced, there's no code needed. You're not going to get your phone calls. But once again, if a thief got the key and went to steal it, start it up, put it in gear, the car's going to cut out. As you see, switched off, and the phone's going to ring. So if the car's parked around the corner, we're going to know someone's in it trying to steal it. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.